about done down here.
What you doing?
I'm just
These
little fish. See, I got that big chub right there.
There's a lot of crayfish here too.
Oh man, millions. Yeah, I'm just catching all these fish and getting them out of here. So that's a...
I have never seen such a colorful crayfish as this.
Oh man, you walk this thing right here, it's insane.
This is really cool.
All sorts of different colors. I got a lamprey in
And fucking zebra mussels.
Yeah, I know. Pretty bummed
We
out.
don't have to save them.
Oh, I have it there. Yeah. I know the deal with it. I got a lamprey in here.
You got a lamprey?
Yeah. You don't see him.
Yeah? Oh, here goes one.
A lamprey? Oh, a fish?
Yep, just a fish.
Hey, bud. I got you back, dude. That's a smallmouth.
So what's the mission here? What's the goal?
I'm just trying to relocate these fish.
So we pick them up here and just send them downstream?
Yeah, you see me busting this thing out, you know?
Yep.
Because they're all getting washed and all these little guys are getting caught up in it.
Okay, but don't they just come out the other side?
Yeah, on this, but like I got 2 pike out of here already. Up there, there's a little bit too much water for me to work.
Okay.
But there's a bunch of bigger bass and piece of carp up there too.
Okay.
Probably a couple more pike. So I'm gonna take all those and then I'm gonna take them up to the top side of the dam there to the location site and then drop them.
Cool. And this is just our way of making sure that as we drain out all the water, nobody gets left behind and gets dried out and killed.
That's right.
Cool.
I sent a picture to one of my fish expert friends who's a biologist for the
So we
state.
got a lamprey.
And I asked her if it was or not, and I haven't got my reply yet. Because if we do have native ones.
Okay.
So if he's not invasive, I'm gonna let him back go, you know?
Cool.
And if he's not, he ain't going swimming.
All right, so here's a spot you'd never get to see. I'm actually in the inlet causeway, and where I'm standing is normally under 20 feet of water, and this is the grates. You get to see under the grate. So here, this is what is on the other side. Now normally, like when I show you the water, it's way up there. So we're down, this is the bottom. We're getting ready to do a big project. And here's through the grates when it's empty. So there's what it actually looks like. Those are the wickets, the wicket gates. And that's the actual intake for the turbine. All those move in and out. I'll see if we can move them later on for you, but that's what it actually looks like down in there. And that's a place you never ever want to be.